Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have an update for Google Chrome. So if you are a user of Google Chrome today, we have the weekly security updates. You go to the upper right vertical dots, go into Help and About Google Chrome. You will be sent to version 151.0, that's 7922.169 or 170, depending on the version of your operating system. This contains security fixes, 15 security fixes. 2 of them are critical. So if you look at the list, the blog post that they've actually released, so WebGL, there's Dawn, there's USB problem, browser has an issue here, appropriate implementation of media. So quite a few little things to fix the GPU problem. Once again, V8, another another engine, the Skia engine also. So lots of security flaws reported. A lot of them reported by Google now, so which is kind of interesting. They are taking really the lead into finding security flaws instead of security researchers, independent security researchers. So update to your browser. It's very important. These security flaws that are fixed are your first line of defense. Remember, a lot of security flaws that when they get exploited, your antivirus has no effect, cannot stop it, cannot do anything. In fact, most of the time, the antivirus can be deactivated without your knowledge because they've gone through a security flaw in software. And so this is why you do not rely on antivirus, but you rely on making sure that all the software you have is up to date with its security. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.